Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to join premium on Hi5. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Hi5 application. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. And here you can see Join Premium option. Tap on it. Here on this page, you can see certain amount of time with certain amount of money. Now all you have to do is select the amount of months. Let's say I want to be premium for 1 month only. Then I'll have to tap on 1 month option. Then click on the continue button. Here tap on Google Play option. Then on this pop-up menu, tap on add credit or debit card option. Then you'll come across this page where you'll have to enter your card information. I cannot record that page because of certain privacy reasons. So all you have to do in that page is enter your card details and proceed. Then enter the amount of money you'll have to pay. After that, you'll have to check out. Then your account will be automatically upgraded to premium. So that is how you can join premium on Hi5 application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.